Hi, today we're talking about business loans and we're going to see how you can utilize this simple template to keep track of business loans. So as you can see, we have a database at the bottom which talks about the loan details, the business name, the applicant name, the date of application, the loan amount requested, the purpose, and all the things that you would necessarily track in a business loan document. But on top of this database, we have certain summarized views. Like there is a calendar view, which shows exact calendar view of the particular follow-up dates that you need to take up for the businesses. So as an example, we can see that on June 5th, we have a follow-up with this particular business. So if you see the properties, we have shown the loan amount that is requested, the applicant name, and the business name. And if you see the exact database over here, we have a follow-up date. Okay, so this is a follow-up date. So on June 5th, we have the follow-up with this CloudNet services. Okay, so that is being shown over here. So this calendar view will help you find out when you need to follow up for a particular business to figure out the exact loan amount. Then we have a loan status, which shows the status of the loan of the different businesses and the corresponding loan amounts. We have pending documents. So if any documents are pending, so if you see this particular database, there is this document submitted section. Okay, so these two rows are particularly represented, and if I uncheck this, that will also come up over here. So if any documents are pending, that will be visible over here in this particular summarized view on the top. So this is how you can take help of this business loan application tracker to keep track of all the business loans. Okay. Obviously, all these views can be edited and customized as per your choice. This is just a sample interface for you, and you can play around with all the settings as per your choices. Everything is filtered over here, so you can play around with all these filters and settings, and it will work smooth for your requirements. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, Online PDF Generator. This helps you generate invoice PDF documents utilizing a Notion database. So if you head over to Online PDF Generator, just simply sign in and you will see this invoice interface on your screen, which you can fill out to generate an invoice. Okay. So as you can see, I've already filled in some of the details over here, and let me quickly add a logo as well. So I'll just go to the download section and put a logo over here, and I'll switch to single PDF mode. Okay, there is this PDF mode, single PDF, and multiple PDFs. I'll go to single PDF mode, click on download. As I do that, you can see my invoice has been downloaded and it looks pretty neat and clean for the demonstration. Okay, but the main thing is that we have a multiple PDF mode where we can add a Notion database, which is already provided as a downloadable link. So if you click on this download button, you have this database that will load up in a file, which you can download to your Notion workspace. Directly fill in all the details over here, as you can see, one by one, and enter the currency of your choice, and make sure you keep this column ticked. Okay, so you want to generate this invoice, head over to online PDF generator, put the link, and just click on fetch invoice and then download. Okay, it will download multiple invoices in one go. That is the best part about it. You can obviously go to how to use section to watch this video to understand more about the process, but it is very smooth and easy for your use case. Okay, so this is how you can take help of online PDF generator to generate invoices on the go. You don't need to worry about any automations or any other stuff. Okay, this is very simple and easy to use, and it supports a lot of different currencies, as you can see from the list available over here. Okay, so if you have any questions, just go to this contact section, send me a message through this contact window. I'll be happy to take up your issues. Or you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you with any of the issues. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.